Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to your computer class of class 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, we have completed our first UT syllabus, that is lesson 1 and lesson 2, but the full forms are remaining. So in this video, first we will do full forms, then after we will do the revision of lesson 1 and lesson 2 book exercise. So all of you students, take out your notebook and write the heading full forms. Here is the full forms. Write the heading full forms. First, MS. MS means Microsoft. Second, GUI, Graphic User Interface. Graphic User Interface. Third, OS, Operating System. Fourth, PCS. PCS means Personal Computers. Personal Computers. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Next, CPU, Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. CU, CU means Control Unit. Control Unit. MU, Memory Unit. Memory Unit. DVD, Digital Video Disc. Digital Video Disc. CD, Compact Disc. USB, Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus. RAM, RAM, Random Access Memory. Random Access Memory. ROM, ROM, Read Only Memory. Read Only Memory. Last, IO, Input. I means input and O means output. Okay students, you have to write. These are the full forms. Now we will do revision of book exercise lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1 book exercise, page number 15, B part. Multiple choice question. Take the right option. First, microphone is a dash device. Input. Microphone is a input device. And students, those who have not completed book work from the previous video, they can write it now. Okay. Next, plotter is a dash device. Plotter is an output device. Third, dash is the part of computer where data is stored. Memory. Memory is the part of computer where data is stored. Fourth, dash MB makes 1 gigabyte. 1024. Fifth, RAM is a dash storage device. RAM is a primary storage device. Primary. Next is fill in the blanks. Pen drive is a portable device used to store data. Used to store data. Second, dash contains ALU, MU and CU. CPU. CPU contain all three units, ALU, MU and CU. Third, a calculator is an example of RAM, RAM. Fourth, the dash memory is kept on silicon chips. Primary memory is kept on the silicon chips. Fifth, hard drive is the most common storage devices. Secondary storage devices. Hard drive is the most common storage. Secondary storage devices. Okay students. Next, lesson 2. Lesson 2 multiple choice question. First, the desktop of Windows 7 has many dash used to open various program files and folder. Icons. B. Icons. Second, collection of many files is called a folder. C. Third, dash means changing the name of an existing file or folder. Renaming. Renaming. Next. To select all the non-adjacent file or folder, hold the dash key and click on each of the items required to be selected. Control CTRL, control key. Fifth, Paint, WordPad, Notepad, etc. are Windows dash used quite often. Accessories. In the accessories, we see Paint, WordPad and Notepad, etc. Sixth, Dash is an accessory in Windows used to create and edit text file using basic text formatting. Notepad. The Notepad, we do basic text formatting. And the last, Dash is an accessory in Windows used to edit text document with advanced formatting. In the advanced formatting, we do in WordPad. Okay, WordPad. C option. Next, first fill in the blanks. See the fill in the blanks. Windows 7 is developed by the company Microsoft. Microsoft company developed Windows 7. Second, Windows 7 uses Dash to perform various operations. GUI means graphical user interface. Third, Windows has many types that are called version. Fourth, a folder may have one or more files in it. Fifth, files may be created in all programs in Windows. Files may be created in all programs in Windows. 6. Files or folders can be copied to different location. Last, Dash in Windows 7 help us to perform various tasks easily and quickly. Accessories. Accessories in Windows 7 help us to perform various tasks easily and quickly. So student, this is your book work, and in the homework you have to learn both the chapter exercises. Okay, and student, if your work is not complete, see the previous video, complete your work before test and learn it. Okay students, now I am going to stop my video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.